It's kinda dark out. I do think that fight of the light, fight of the light. This is a rough draft, but fuck it, the timing was.
They're doing 3D printing of humans, although it's not real humans. It's 3D printers, and they're doing mass production printing of humans, human robots who get a body. They even get their synthetic skin. And I'm sure that they'll also have their own implant, like, so they can move around and stuff. I did a really short video on my other YouTube channel. And what can you say? Nothing. Can't say anything. Yeah. It's the future, and the future is really here. It's here. And yeah. So I'll put the link to my video on my other channel if you want to look at it. Subscribe over there on that other channel. Thank you.